Hi, it's Lizette again, and now we are going into their bathroom where I made a few simple modifications for them to be able to stand up and function in their bathroom. And I'm going to talk about several different pieces of equipment in this bathroom and why I chose them for my parents in order for them to be able to be a little more independent after my dad's hospitalization. So the first thing we're going to talk about, whoops, if I can get the camera to turn around. So this is their bathroom. This is their primary bathroom. So the door is just wide enough for a walker to fit through. What I did at the toilet, they have a high-rise toilet. It's a high-rise toilet. I purchased these toilet rails. And the reason I picked the toilet rails was so that he would have something to push up from the toilet, because I didn't really want to use a bedside commode in their house, mostly for their comfort and because it's easier to clean. However, we really did need the bedside commode, so I'm glad that we got it. But when we first started out, we started out with just these rails. Then my dad was having a very hard time standing up from the toilet. So if you're in front of the toilet, you can see that grab bar that we have on the wall. The reason we put the grab bar there is because he was actually using this towel rail to be able to try to pull up on. And I kept telling him, Dad, that is not a grab bar. So my husband actually installed the grab bar against the wall for my dad to be able to stand up from the toilet. But it serves two functions. It helps him stand up from the toilet, but it also helps him get into and out of the tub. Then here up against this wall, we have another grab bar. It's a suction cup grab bar. The trick with suction cup grab bars is you have to have the head of the suction cup be able to be entirely on the tile. It cannot go across the grout line. If it goes across the grout line, it will not hold. But this is pretty steady. We check it sporadically. You clean the wall very well with alcohol, and then you clean the back of the grab bar, the suction cup grab bar, to be able to put and let them dry, and then you attach them and they stay fairly well connected. My mom actually uses this. It's not ideal, but she uses this to hold on to get into and out of the tub as well. This is my preference in a shower chair. It is called a Carex, C-A-R-E-X, tub seat with a back. The reason I prefer this is because it is 100% plastic. It comes in 6 parts. It has the legs that screw in, it has the back, and it has the seat. This one is weighted up to 300 pounds, which is another reason why I choose this shower chair frequently for my patients. I honestly cannot tell you why anybody decided to design a shower chair with metal in, because they don't hold up. So when I have the capacity of getting a shower chair for a patient that is 100% solid plastic, that is what I choose to do. But I know sometimes they're a little more expensive, so you do what you need to, and you do what you can for your loved one. The fourth piece of an equipment here in the bathroom that I got is this tub rail. This is a tub rail. It is attached to the tub. It just screws on, and it's pretty sturdy. And once you have it on, you can use it to hold on to step into the tub. Eventually, I will probably try to get my parents a tub cut out, but we haven't had the time to do that. And then the last thing that I'm going to show you is a handheld shower. A handheld shower, in my opinion, is a needed attachment and needed thing for anybody who is needing help. It makes it easier for them as well as a person who is helping take care of them. Now, back to the shower chair, I just want to mention a couple of things. I'm going to show the bathroom again, if I can flip my camera around. So if you look at a standard bathroom, right, there's a lot of white, lots of white. And white, when we have people with dementia, is very challenging because you can't see depth. So a couple of strategies or suggestions that one can do is you take some duct tape that's colored and just line the edges of some of the surfaces with the tape so that the person can see a contrast. So I've used duct tape. I have used electrical tape. You can use lots of things, anything that will show up as a contrast can make it easier, because people with dementia do not like solid white because they cannot see. Their depth perception is significantly impaired. So if you give them some contrasting colors, they can see the edges or the lines, and then it makes it easier for them to be able to get in and out, or know where to, how high to lift their leg, etc. Sometimes you have to play around with color. Red works pretty well, yellow works really well, and blue works really well, but sometimes you just have to try. So this is a quick little video regarding some home modifications that you can make. All of this equipment is available on Amazon.com. And yet again, in this bathroom, it was toilet rails, it was a tub bar, it was a shower chair, it was a handheld shower, it was a suction cup grab bar, and a regular grab bar. Thank you for watching this video.